Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are talking about switch statements. Selecting from many options with statements. If you have many options to choose from, use a switch statement instead of if-else statements. A switch statement tests a value and can have many case statements which define various possible values. Statements are executed from the first matched case until a break is encountered. So here is an example of a switch statement here. So switch lowercase letter. If it is case A, console.log A. What this program does is that it will convert the lowercase letters into uppercase letter. So if you're inputting a value of small letter a, then it will output capital letter A. So case values are tested with strict equality operator, and break tells the JavaScript to stop executing statements. If the break is omitted, the next statement will be executed. So we need to write a switch statement which tests val and sets answer for the following conditions. So if it is 1, then alpha; for 2 it is beta; if it is 3, for gamma; and 4 it is delta. So here we have this case in switch val and all. Now in the case of 1, I think we should write switch, and inside that we should write answer. Okay, and inside that case 1 will be console.log alpha. So in this case, if you are outputting this, we are getting nothing. If I type 1 in quotes, still nothing. Console.log beta, then case 3 gamma, delta. Okay, till now nothing is working fine, so I'm expecting some kind of error, or I'm just looking what is my problem here. So here we have variable answer, which is given initially nothing. Then switch answer. We have made a huge blunder here. It is not answer here, which uh, our our input variable here is val. Okay, so that is one error. And the second error is that this number should not be written in this quotes. It should be written without anything, then only it will work. Okay, now I think this thing will work. Now if we are putting a value of 2, we are getting beta. If we are putting 3, we are getting gamma. 4, we are getting delta. So it is working now. So in case when there are a lot of switch case statements, we can use this switch statement because it is much faster and also simpler. So let us run the test, but we have got some error here. Should have a value of 4 delta. Case 2, case in switch 2 is should have a value of string beta. We are getting beta. Or else I could just try this as answer equals alpha. So if it is in this case, this thing is satisfying. So I'll just copy this answer, just paste it everywhere, the all in the 4 cases. So I think now it will work. Even here we'll be getting gamma, delta and so on. If we are running the test, now it is working. So let us move into the next challenge.